Now our next topic is additive inverse. Inverse basically a opposite number. It says that for every rational number, let us say it is a upon b, there exists a rational number that is negative of this, negative a upon b, such that if we will add these two, we will get 0 as answer. So, negative a upon b is called additive inverse of a upon b. That is basically negative a upon b is opposite of a upon b. Now let us take an example. We have to write the additive inverse of negative 5 upon 6. It is a negative number, so its opposite number is positive, and this is the additive inverse of this. Now our next topic is subtraction of rational number. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Like subtract negative 5 upon 7 from negative 2 upon 5. So this number is subtracted from this number. So our statement will become negative 2 upon 5 minus, because there is a negative already there, so we will make a bracket here and write negative 5 upon 7. Now recall the spawn method which we have done in 7th class, which says that if a negative number multiplied by a negative number, the answer will become positive. So here negative, so this says same positive and opposite negative. If we will multiply the opposite signs, then we will get answer as negative. This we have learned in class 7. The same knowledge we are applying here. Here the negative is multiplied by a negative. Here is basically a negative 1 here. So negative 1 multiplied by negative 5 upon 7, that will become positive 5 upon 7. Now here the same method we have applied. We will take the LCM of 5 and 7. The LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Here we have written the common LCM, and numerator we will see 5 is multiplied by which number, so that we can get 35. So 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. So we will multiply numerator by the same number, that is 7. Similarly here 7 multiplied by 5 will become 35. So numerator is multiplied by 5. Now see here. Here negative 2 into 7 will become negative 14, and 5 into 5 will become 25, and if we will add the numerator, we will get one number is negative, another is positive. So answer is 11. Negative 14 plus 25, so minus plus is minus, so 25 minus 14 is 11, and 11 upon 35 is the answer. Now let us begin with our exercise. Let us start exercise 1C. A scanned copy of this exercise I have attached with the note at the last along with the answers. You can use that as for your reference. Now question number 1 is add. This is the first part, that negative 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5. Here the denominators are same. So this is similar to the case 1. So we will write here common denominator 5 and add the numerators and get answer as 2 upon 5. Now the second part. Here negative 6 upon 11 plus negative 4 upon 11. Here again we will write the common denominator and add negative 6 plus negative 4. Here negative numbers are being added. So again recall which we have learned in the integers that if both the numbers are negative, we have to add them and put the negative sign. So we will add 6 and 4, that is 10. Answer will be 10 and we will write here the negative sign along with that, and the answer will become negative 10 upon 11. Similarly, I have done part 3. Here we have to add negative 11 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8. The same way I have added here, and answer I have got negative 6 upon 8. See, here we can do the cancelling. So we have done the cancelling and our answer will become negative 3 upon 4.